Hello everyone, welcome back. In the last video, we created a GitHub account so that we can log in on StackBlitz.com. In this video, we will look at the StackBlitz online editor. You got to know the tool before you start using it. So this video will explore the StackBlitz online editor. What are the different options available for you as a developer or programmer? So let's get started. If you are not already logged in on StackBlitz.com, please go ahead and log in. I'm already logged in myself and I'm at the dashboard page. At the very top, you see the flash icon that basically takes you to the dashboard page. We are already at the dashboard page. Next, you have a search box. Using this search box, you can search within your projects. Next to that, you have docs. Basically, that opens up the StackBlitz documentation in the new tab where you can explore getting started and other things which StackBlitz has to offer. So we're gonna close it and go back to our StackBlitz tab. Next up, the other options like enterprise, pricing, more. We will not discuss this one. You can explore on your own. Then at the very top right, you have new project option. Clicking this will give you the option to create a new project. Next to that, you have your logged in icon, which gives you your account options. On the left, you see your logged in username and the plan you signed up for. And below that, you have dashboard, repositories, projects, collections, settings. This area is called the navigation section or the navigation bar area. Then in the right, you have a main section where we can see an option saying new project. And this is where your project will load in. Let's click on the new project. As I said, you can click on the new project using this option here or at the top where it says new project. So I'm going to click on this one. That brings up the template dialog box. This template dialog box gives us many different templates for different languages. For this video series, we are interested in the JavaScript. So we will click on the JavaScript blank project. By the way, you can open the JavaScript blank project either from the popular tab or from the vanilla tab. And here is the JavaScript blank project option there as well. So we will click on the JavaScript blank project. I'm going to click on it. That creates a blank project. It really is not a blank JavaScript project because you can see on the left here under files, we see index.html, index.js, package.json, style.css, tsconfig. In the editor area, we see that it has already opened index.js file. And you can see the name seems like a little bit italic. That means if I click on any other file in the file section, basically that file will open in that area. If you really want to open the file and make sure it's stuck in the editor area, you can double click on the file name and now you can see that index.js file is open there. And if I navigate to any other file, that will open in another tab. So let's close it. On the right side, we see a section with the white background and text saying JS starter. That's basically your preview area. Below that, we have an option which is called console. I'm going to click on it. For most part of this video series, if not all, we will be just concentrating on two areas, basically index.js as well as the console section. So I'm going to resize it a little bit up so I can just see only these two. So now I can see the index.js and console. So I recommend that you take the console section all the way up by clicking here just like me and then dragging up. Now we see only index.js and the console section. Another important thing I would like to share with you is at the top, you see where it says JS fork and a padlock icon next to it. Click on it and that brings up a dialog box. This dialog box has the title and the description of our StackBlitz project and the project URL and the visibility, which is public. Basically that means is if you share your project URL with someone else, let's say you are asking someone a question why your file or why your code is not working, they would be able to see it. They might not be able to edit it with the public access unless you have a different level of subscription, but at least they can see your project and they can fork it and they can recommend the changes you need. Same way, if somebody asks you a question and you want to explain them, you can create a StackBlitz and share with them. So So I'm going to change the title of the project, and you can name it whatever you want to name, and description. And then click on any other area on the screen. So that's it for this video. I hope now you feel comfortable using StackBlitz and create a project. In the next video, we will start learning JavaScript, and the first thing we are going to start with is the console API. See you next time.